Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show you how we add a new key fob for a 2021 Lincoln Navigator. Also we'll show you the slot where you should put the key fob, and where you should put the key in case the key fob battery died and you need to start your vehicle. So it's a very useful one. Hopefully you'll enjoy. Thank you.
Okay, everybody, this is a 2021 Lincoln Navigator. We are adding a key into the system. This is the working key of the vehicle. And as you can see, the key that we have is right there in the slot. Learned keys 2. It says to please insert the key into the slot, which is in the armrest. We did. So we should hear the door cycle. There we go. So now we have 3 keys. Do we want to learn any more? We're going to tell it no. Learning is complete. So this is how you learn a 2021 Lincoln Navigator key. You insert it in the slot here, the new key. And by the way, this slot is also used for if the battery dies on the remote and you want to press the push to start and the car is not recognizing because the battery is dead, you will physically slide it in this way, right into the slot, in order for the vehicle to read it and start the car. And we are complete. Thanks for watching.